How to create and customize document templates in DocuSign. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to create and customize documents template in DocuSign. In order to do this procedure, first of all you have to go ahead and log into your account. So open up a browser, type in apps.docusign.com, and it's going to take you to the official page. Now creating and customizing documents template in DocuSign allows you to streamline your documents workflows and save times when sending frequently used documents for signatures. Here is how you can do it. From the dashboard itself, you need to go ahead and click the templates button from the top left hand side corner of your screen. When you access the template button, you can go ahead and click on create a new template, or just click on create a template. You can go ahead and upload or design the document as per your need, and likewise you can go through all of these interface such as template name, template description, add documents and all that. And basically that's how you can create template on DocuSign. And likewise, if you wish to create more, then you have to head back to the same page, that is go to the template section from the top, and then you can go ahead and click on add new template and create new one. So that's how you can create and customize document template in DocuSign. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.